easy beginner keto breakfast meals. And this video includes a grocery list. Hi, this is Keto Granny, and we're going to talk about the keto diet and some easy breakfast meals. You want to remember, on keto, you want to keep it super simple. On the ketogenic diet, you can have an assortment of meals from the same ingredients. You can have from eggs to omelets to keto burritos and enjoy filling, nutritious, and healthy meals. I hope you enjoy these quick and easy keto breakfast meals. I did. This is Keto Granny. Let's get started. You can have such staples in the refrigerator such as eggs and your meats such as sausage and bacon, and you can make some really good breakfast dishes from these. They will be healthy and nutritious. As you can see, I use a lot of eggs, sausage, and spinach. With my spinach, I like to cook it with garlic and with butter. This is very, very healthy on the ketogenic diet. And then I use seaweed snacks, and I use those for wraps. I use them for what are known as mermaid nachos. I add tuna salad to them and add a jalapeno pepper, and they're very, very good. On the ketogenic diet, you want to eat consciously. You want to be aware of the foods that you're eating, and you want to enjoy those foods. Bacon, eggs, cheese, avocado, raspberries, strawberries. You can learn how to make keto bread. You can have bread with butter. Avocado is a very good fruit to have on the ketogenic diet. It is full of fat, potassium, magnesium. It supplies a lot of phytonutrients and nutrients that you need on the ketogenic diet. I try to have at least 3 to 4 avocados a week. I've learned how to make a lot of different breakfast dishes using the same staples and the same ingredients. So this is my breakfast that I'm having this morning. What I'm having, I have some leftover collard greens I've added to my plate that has some turkey meat in it, I believe. Then I have my spinach with garlic and my bacon grease, Himalayan pink salt. I have about 5 pieces of bacon there, and I have 2 eggs, as you can see, and half an avocado. So this is what I'm having for breakfast this morning, and today we have our keto meeting. So I will go light on the keto meeting because I wanted to do OMAD, so I'm having 2 meals today. But this is what I'm having. Enjoy your breakfast. I'm finna get started. So you see, you can have a lot of dishes made from bacon, eggs, and sauteed vegetables. If you just get some vegetables, keep those in your refrigerator, and try to add vegetables into every meal that you have. You need to have 7 to 10 cups of vegetables per day, depending on how many meals you're having. And I like cottage cheese, so I do add in some cottage cheese to my meals also sometime. And once I learned how to make the keto bread, I've been able to have keto pancakes, and I found keto syrup that I use also. Now, I have been eating artichoke. Just occasionally I'll have a tablespoon, but artichoke is high in carbs, so you may not want to eat artichoke. I do. It doesn't throw me out of ketosis. Occasionally I like to have collard greens for breakfast. They are so good. I have them in the refrigerator, so I'll just add them into a meal also. And I love the keto deviled eggs. They are so good, and you can eat them for any meal. I like to add mine in for breakfast, and I eat it along with bacon, and it's a good fatty protein combination. Sausage patty with cheese, avocado, and sauteed vegetables. great breakfast. I even learned how to make a keto Krispy Kreme donut, and it was so good. So for a while there, I was able to have donuts for breakfast, and that was something different because I have not had donuts, it seems like, in years. So it was very good. As you can see, I do eat a lot of strawberries. Strawberries are my go-to sweet fruit, or my sweet dessert for after my meals. So as you can see, eat what you can and like on keto, as long as it's keto friendly. Again, you can see how I use the seaweed, and on this one I used it to wrap a sausage patty with some eggs. I love this way of eating. You can stack up on eggs, bacon, sausage, and a few things, and you will have your breakfast meals for the week. This is me. I weigh 330 pounds, a little bit over. And this is me now. I've lost 115 pounds so far on the ketogenic diet, and I love this way of eating. I still have an additional 50 to 60 pounds that I'd like to lose. I'll let my body tell me when to stop. I've enclosed a keto grocery list. You can buy the foods on this grocery list and make these amazing and easy keto breakfasts. They won't take you long to make, and they do fit into your macros. If this video has helped you in any way, please give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe.